Today we are handing over one very special boat. This is a fully custom built 255 center console, the first of its kind, and it certainly is not going to be the last. This is one of the massive advantages of having an in-house design team and a 5-axis CNC machine. When a customer came to us and said, can you turn your 255 formula into a center console? It was no problem, and here we are today. The 255 formula has been such a beautiful boat for us, and it really suits the southern states, having the enclosed cabin and the hardtop. It's just a fantastic all-weather boat. But for the guys up north, they get much better weather than we do down south, and they want to utilise the bow and the fishing room, so center console makes heaps of sense up there. We've got our 655 center console in production that we launched last year, so it was really simple for us to utilise our console and the frame from that boat, and we've got our CNC machine and designed a brand new top deck to suit the 255 hull, stringer and floor liner. As well as being the absolute best seat in the house, this coffin box is enormous and you can fit so much ice in here to get your fresh fish out of that hot Queensland sun. Up in the bow, it's a really nice space to fish from. Nice high gunnel height, so you feel really safe in here. You've got a grab rail for when you're running, and the gunnels are super wide, so they're great to sit on. You can fish off here. We've got some rod holders and some cup holders around the whole way around the boat. With how harsh the conditions will be up there in far north Queensland, we've gone with Edencraft on the floor, so this stuff's tough as. It's not going to lift in the heat. Customers don't have to worry about being careful with it, and it's easy to hose out, high pressure clean it at the end of the day, get all the stains off it. Obviously this particular boat was a one-off custom boat to start with, but we've had a lot of feedback from people that have seen it. It's certainly going to be something in demand for the northern states, so this is something we're going to put into production this year. We've already got another one in the factory getting built right now, so stay tuned for some more info on the new 255 center console. Jason and his family have been in Roko Island for over 20 years, which is situated just off Cape York, so super remote and incredible fishing. So Jason, this is going to be one hell of a charter boat up there. Tell us a little bit about your fishery and what customers get to do.
Yeah, so we get a lot of people flying up to Cape York and chasing a lot of pelagics, reef fish. So there's a lot of bottom fishing, casting lures, trolling. So a center console is the ideal platform for this type of fishing.
Perfect. And you guys probably get a lot of wind up there too, so having a hull that rides really well is probably very important, right?
Yeah, a hull that rides well, that keep the customers safe, happy and dry is the key.
Now fuel economy is very important because getting fuel up there is a big problem, I imagine, plus it's probably very expensive. So we went with a pair of 150 Suzuki's. We're getting about 1.2 kilometers per litre, top speed about 85k an hour.
More than what we need. More
than what you need, and really
yeah,
economical.
Yeah, very economical. Yeah, it's ideal. Yeah, our situation makes fuel not only expensive but also hard to get, and a lot of logistic goes into getting fuel, and having a performant boat is perfect for us.
So Jason, this has got to be one of the best charter boats I think I've ever been on. Obviously we've got it in 3C survey, 6+1 passenger carrying capacity. How do customers book in and come for a tour with you and come fishing?
Yeah, so you can jump on our website, Roko Island Fishing Charters, send us an email, drop us a message, or and we'll get in touch with you guys.
Congratulations on building an absolutely stunning boat. This is beautiful. I can't wait to come up for a charter one day and come fishing with you. So congratulations, mate.
Thank you very much. This is a beautiful boat. Yeah.
Great.
It'll do wonders.